Whoop whoop and welcome to the Batgirl Jamie Show. I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to make a new video for the Ask Batgirl Jamie Show, and I wanted to request you guys send me videos. Send me questions, and you can send them to my Twitter, and it's @BatgirlJamie, and then put the hashtag the Ask Batgirl Jamie Show in your question. And also, you can send them to my email and my email is batgirljamie@hotmail.com, and you can send them to my Facebook. There's a link below to my Facebook fan page, and you can comment the first post where it's asking for questions. You can comment that one, and that will let you know, and then I will say where they're from, and I will answer your questions, and I will say who they're from. So get your questions in, and remember that I'm on Instagram too, and my Instagram name is BatgirlJamie, and there's links to all my social networking down below. So come and follow me on my social networks if you want to keep up-to-date information about me on the social networks that you use, that I use also, so that you can keep up-to-date information, so that you know when I make new videos, or I'm thinking about doing a new Ask Batgirl Jamie. If you got any questions, please send me the questions. I love them. I love them. I love them. And sorry last week I didn't make any videos. Sorry I hadn't made any videos in a week. I had a tragic loss of a beloved uncle. My mom's brother died, and it was a sudden thing, and it was not expected, and he wasn't even sick. So we were grieving. We were having a really hard time dealing with it. We were really grieving, but now that that's over, I can get moving on. And I want to say that he died with his favorite country singer, George, one of his most beloved favorite country singer of all time, George Jones. And I wanted to say RIP to a couple days ago to Jeff Hanneman and all you Slayer fans who lost, in the metal community, lost a great guitar player for the band Slayer, who my brother really loves. So that's it. That's all I have to say right now. But send your questions for the Ask Batgirl Jamie Show, and I will make a new video. Peace out, and much love to the Juggalo family.